Good morning, class 1. Class 1, today we will start a new chapter. Chapter number 5, Using Computers, Do's and Don'ts. Till now you have done chapter number 1 and 2, which will come for the unit test, and chapter number 3, which we have finished in the last classes, in the previous classes. Okay, so today I am starting the new chapter, and this is the last chapter for this term. Okay, so do's and don'ts means when we are using computers, what all things we should do and what all things we should not do. So this chapter will explain both these things. Okay children, so let's start the chapter. A computer operates on electricity. You all know that computer is a electronic device and it operates on electricity, and hence it requires certain safety precautions that must be taken to prevent accidents and damage to the computer. Since it works on the electricity, that is why children, some safety precautions means certain things we should always remember while working on the computer, so that there should not be any accident, means you should not get harmed, because just like all the other devices which works on electricity and where we should be cautious while working with them, similarly in the case of computer also you should be very cautious, means you should be careful when working with this machine. Plus we should also be careful because the computer system does not get damaged. Okay, so you have to take care of yourself as well as of the computer system. That is why whenever I say that you do anything, or even if I don't say, whenever you are working on the computer or any machine which requires electricity or which is sensitive, you should work with it, and you should do the work in the presence of your parents, so that there should not be any harm to you as well as to your machine. Okay children, so now there are a few guidelines that must be followed while working on the computer. Given below is a list of do's and don'ts of computers that you must follow carefully. So there are some guidelines, means certain things you should remember, which you should follow also while working with the computer. Okay, given below is a list of do's and don'ts. Now we will see one by one the various do's and don'ts of computers that we must follow carefully, so that our machine also works properly, and we also should not get hurt or meet with an accident while working with the computer system. So first is do's for using a computer. First is keep your computer dust free. Dust and dirt can harm your computer. You should always keep your computer covered. Okay, or suppose you are using laptop, you should always keep it in the proper bag after cleaning it. Like when you have finished working on it, you should clean it and then you keep it back in its bag or something in which you are keeping it. Okay, and even while working with the computer, all the devices in the previous chapter you have learned about the four main parts of the computer. Not those four main parts were monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. You should take care of all those devices and keep them covered when you are not using them, so that you can protect them from dust. And not just those four parts, in fact you should if any other part is attached to the computer like printer or joystick or anything, then you should cover them as well. Okay, while they are not in use, when you are using them you should not cover them. Okay, now second is to prevent overheating. You should never cover the fan opening of the CPU. Similarly, never cover the air openings of your monitor. Means when you are working on the computer, you should not cover any of the parts. Okay, because if suppose just like television, when it is when we are watching television, when it is on, we are not covering it. Okay, because electricity, due to electricity, heat generates there. Okay, and if excessive heat will be there, if more of heat will be there, it will damage the device. Same is the case with CPU. If its fan opening is covered, then the heat will not be able to go in the environment, and the CPU will be damaged. Similarly, you should never cover the air openings of your monitor when you are working on the monitor. Okay, at that time you should not cover the monitor, because heat will be generated from the monitor also. Any device which is using electricity will definitely generate some heat, let it be microwave or fridge or any other device. So when they are on, you should not cover them. Okay, but when you are not working on the computer, to keep it dust free, at that time you need to cover it. Okay, in simple words, when you are using it, do not cover. When you are not using it, cover it. Okay children. Now third point is, be polite with your classmates and await your turn when sharing a computer with them. Because when you are in a class, right now you are not coming to school, but when you are in a class, there are many children there, and at that time a teacher cannot explain to all the children at one time, at one go. So you need to be patient, and you need to be good with your classmates, so that when your turn comes, they should not get irritated. Okay children, so be polite with your classmates always, even not just while using computer, otherwise also. And you should wait for the turn, because you are part of the team, that is the class. Okay, next points we will take up in the next video.